Hello there, Homo sapiens. Welcome to my channel MCU for You. This is Manjunath, second year medical student at ESIC Medical College, Bangalore. So, finally, after finishing our first year professional medical exams, we needed a break. So, if you are also planning a trip to DANDELI, this is a must watch vlog.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, my friend. 18 March 2023, we are on to DANDELI.
After so much drama. Yay!
After
so much drama.
Finally. Finally, after.
Finally.
Going to DANDELI. See you soon.
We took an overnight sleeper coach bus from Bangalore to DANDELI. The prices were around $800 per person. Our plan was the moment we reach DANDELI, we have to get freshened up and go to river rafting. We chose the long river rafting of around 11 to 12 kilometers, which costed $1,500 per person. After reaching DANDELI, we all freshened up and then we boarded the jeep. We were taken to the starting point of the long river rafting. It's called the Ganesh Gudi. And then we were briefed about our safety on the Kali River, put up our life jacket, helmet, and we were all set. And if you needed a photo or video of your rafting, we need to pay 2.6k bucks.
What's up, people? So we are at the starting point of Kali River.
Hey.
We are going for the long rafting of 11 kilometers, which is gonna be 2.5 hours. Okay? So our gang is sweat. DANDELI square.
ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹಾಯ್ ಓಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು
Akshata.
ಅಕ್ಷತಾ
Arpita.
ಅರ್ಪಿತಾ
Preeti.
ಪ್ರೀತಿ
Yo.
ಸುಮೋಕ್
PK.
ಪಿಕೆ
Pavan.
ಪವನ್
MCU Manju.
ಮಂಜು ಓಕೆ ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಜಾಕ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾರೋ ಅಕ್ಷಯ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಓಕೆ All of you here, hip hip! Come on forward! Stop. Back pedal, back.
So yeah, people, like you saw, it was totally one heck of a ride. It was around 2 hour 45 minutes ride on water. We had around 9 to 10 rapids. And this cool, smooth flowing ambient through the jungle. It was calm and composed and soothing. We really had the very best time.
How the juice?
Hi, sir!
Juice!
Hi, sir!
Let's go! Okay.
Swag gang!
Stand up. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಹಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಯ್
So that was it. That was the adrenaline pumped river rafting. We finished at DANDELI and then we headed back to our resort, River Edge Resort. We spent the night over there with all the resort activities and that was it. We got to witness the mesmerizing sunset in the pool along the river Kali. The next day we had some other water activities planned and we were off to Bangalore. Talking about your stay in Dandeli, there are thousands of resorts which you can choose from, whichever is appealing to you. All in all, Dandeli is a 2-day adventure trip from Bangalore for students like us. It is one of the budget-friendly trip, and river rafting is the must-do activity. So next time, pack your bags to Dandeli.